You saying to hustle? You have to go?
I know. I just need a move. I'll get there. I'll get there. Trust me, I'll get there. I'll get there on time. Jeez. I really want to be wearing this. It's freezing. Little color in my life tonight. Okay. Okay. Come on, Woody. Not today. Ooh. Okay. Boots or flats? Or what do you think? Boots.
How was it?
You know, it's interesting. No matter anything that I've done, Minister of Government, 4-term MP, I mean, you know the question I get all the time? So you were really Miss World?
Really?
Yes. It's like, trust me. That was the topic of conversation, and I think because of what's going on now with pageantry, and I have to keep telling people, listen, you know, I was a tomboy. I won Miss World at 18. I was literally just out of high school, which was almost like 33 years ago. Jeez. Tea.